One thing that's super easy and it's free is taking advantage of the sun. Make sure that you have, first off, thick curtains so that during the night you can close your curtains and keep out any drafts and air leaks. But during the day you want to open them so that all the sun is coming right into those windows. That's going to naturally heat your home. And then you won't have to actually turn your heat on as much. So that's one easy thing. Another thing you can consider is planting trees near your windows, so that during the summer it's shaded with big, full leaves. And then in the winter, when the leaves are gone, you get that direct sunlight through the windows. Another thing that a lot of people don't think of, and I know I'm super guilty of this, is checking to see your water heater temperature, and you need to keep it lower. I love a hot shower, but I believe I need to check it out. It might be a little bit too hot. Most water storage heaters account for 14 to 25% of your home's energy bills. Wow. So if it's too high, that's probably one of the main reasons why your bill's extremely high. Check it out. Make sure that it's at 120 degrees Fahrenheit. That'll keep your energy costs lower and also prevent scalding from being way too hot. Another thing you can do, which wouldn't be a free solution, but it would be installing a solar water heater, which is obviously the most energy efficient way to heat your home during all seasons in the water. Number 3 on my list is take control of your thermostat. You want to make sure that you set it as low as possible when you're awake or you're at home. And when you're away or you're sleeping, you want to turn it back 10 to 15 degrees. And if you can do that in 8-hour increments and keep, those adjustments, then you should be able to save about 10% on your monthly energy bills. Wow. And also during that no-cost home energy assessment that Energy Monster can set you up with and provide, they actually install those programmable thermostats for you at no cost. So that's going to be the easiest way for you to be able to keep those adjustments, locating and sealing up any drafts and air leaks. During that energy assessment, you're going to have a trained professional come out. They're going to use some special tools like thermal imaging cameras to see exactly where your home is, the leaks and the drafts are going out, the cold spots in your home. They're going to recommend sealing them up. Companies like National Grid cover the full cost of sealing up those drafts and air leaks with a special foam that goes around windows, doors, electrical units, a lot of different places where you don't realize that the heat's escaping or the cold air's coming in. If you do have a furnace, you want to make sure that the air filter during the fall is clean and free of debris. It should be replaced at least once a month during the peak of winter, but other than that, every 3 months. So if you do have a furnace, make sure that that is ready to go.